this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This video I'm going to show you how you can install a video card to your desktop PC. This is an old type of video card, the slim one, and this is a motherboard of a desktop PC, not laptop one. And this is a gaming video card, Sapphire. You can see here, Sapphire, 4 gigabytes inside. This is only 1 gigabyte. So both processes are the same because you can see they are the same type of port. So let's start with this one first. You have to find this port. Normally is for the video card. Sometimes could be small, but normally these are the big one. Is for the video card at the middle. So I take this motherboard up to show you clearly how it should go. Put here, check the pin exactly, match the hole. Put inside, put a pressure, gentle pressure. Goes inside here. Sometimes you have a lock. So check the lock. You can see now how it goes inside properly, and the lock. Here we go. See the lock. Here it will take. You don't need to do anything. Depends obviously on motherboard. It could be differ one to another. Let's take this off. Remove. When it is in cabinet, it's easy to take out. Here we go. I take this out, and the big graphics card for gaming purpose. Process would be the same. You put as this. You see here, and put pressure the same way. And when you put a hard pressure, the clip will come up and hold this one. You see the white clip there is holding the video card. You see how beautiful it looks. So much gaming, these video cards. Excellent with double cooler. So take slowly, gently out. Here we go. Don't break your motherboard, neither your video card. So this is the way you can assemble, also disassemble your video card to your gaming computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.